What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're detailing the exterior of this beautiful Lexus LS model. So guys, in today's video, we're going to show you the exterior detail of this Lexus. Now, this is going to be our paint enhancement, and I'm going to apologize in advance because trying to get before and after shots were pretty difficult because we're kind of working in and out of shade. There was a nice tree over us, which was great for shade, but kind of filtering light, and it was hard to get some good before and after shots. But believe me when I say this was a jet black Lexus LS, and basically the customer just wanted it polished, refined, and enhanced, so this service was perfect. Now, I really like Lexus and Toyota paint because I've worked on many Lexus models before, and the paint seems to be very responsive, very easy to work with. So, of course, I use HD Speed, now 3D Speed, and the Lake Country Orange Pad in my Roops 15, and man, it brought it back to life. It amped up the gloss. I'm going to try to show you some before and after pictures. It's kind of hard to show you, with the shade and the lighting, it was a little off, so I do apologize for that. But you get the idea. Really, this isn't going for full swirl removal or anything like that. This is enhancement. So it's going to reduce any type of light marring. It's going to amp up the gloss. It's going to make the paint super smooth and slick. And yeah, it'll reduce the defects on there, the light scratches and swirls, by about 50% or more. So enjoy the video, guys. We'll see you at the end.
So let's take a look around, guys. I know, the paint doesn't look black. It actually kind of looks like a dark blue color, maybe even metallic, but we'll soon find out what the true color actually is. Plus, there's a lot of pollen out here, so it makes the vehicle look really bad. So let's begin with the wash process. I always begin with the engine, degreasing it and making sure that it looks really nice and clean under there. As well as a full rinse and an APC rinse as well. You can see that we spray degreaser on the front, the tires, the lower portions of the vehicle, and that softens any type of dirt and grime and bugs that might be stuck onto the paint and begins to soften it before the contact wash. So now we use our foam cannon, and in that we're using Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. I find it to be a very good wash to foam the vehicle down and then to proceed with a contact wash. I also make sure to use a nice soft brush to get into all of those tight areas, like the grille, the emblems, and all of the seams. So now let's go on to the tires and the wheels. Use a nice strong degreaser or dedicated wheel cleaner to clean up those wheels and the tires. And make sure to have plenty of nice soft brushes, nothing too aggressive for nice painted wheels. So after the vehicle is rinsed, we now dry the vehicle thoroughly. So I'm starting with my usual HD Speed and the orange Lake Country pad on my Rupes 15. So after a few section passes, let's look at the results. I only had a little bit of sun left, but you can see a huge difference. So I was happy with those results, so I proceeded to go around the entire vehicle with the same process. You may wonder why my shirt looks like that. It's because I have a fan that's blowing on me in the corner. It was really hot that day. So if you're a mobile guy, bring some fans along with you on the job. It just ensures that you have a nice cool breeze. Even without the sun to check my work, you can tell that the paint is very, very hazy. It's good after a few panels to just go over and check your work with lights, just to make sure that you're getting the results that you want. So here's a little bug etching or a bird dropping that found its way onto the paint. So let's see if we can remove that. That took care of it with no problem. Now we're on to the trunk. I had a little bit of sun here to check my work. Much better. You can see I love using my new tool cart. This is extremely handy for mobile guys because when you're out and about, sometimes you don't have a good place to put your tools. So now the vehicle is done. The tires were dressed with Chemical Guy's New Car Shine dressing, and the paint was protected with not only the HD Speed protection, which does have HD epoxy, but I also sprayed on a Chemical Guy's VO7 spray sealant. Now the paint is glossy and protected.
All right, guys, so the Lexus is complete. As you saw, beautiful turnover, right? You could see I was kind of working a little bit in the sun, a little bit in the shade, so it was hard to get those shots just right, but you get the idea. The paint really did come out beautifully. The paint really did come out beautifully, and customer was extremely happy. Now again, we use 3D Speed and the orange Lake Country pad. I have to say, guys, give that combo a try. That's what I usually start with and use on pretty much every paint enhancement that we do. So give that combo a try. So the Lake Country orange pad or the Griot's Garage orange pad, they're pretty much the same, and 3D Speed. Now we finished off with just a spray sealant because, you know, HD Speed does have some protection on its own, and he actually takes care of the car very, very well. Even when we were clay barring it, he clay bars it once or twice a year. There was nothing coming off in the clay bar at all, so there really wasn't much to show of that. So we washed everything, and of course we dried everything, and got straight away working on the paint. So unfortunately, the car is not garaged, even though there's a garage there. But it is kept outside. But he does keep the vehicle very, very clean and well maintained. So this will certainly make it much easier and give you a good base to start with. So if you're interested in that service and you're in the Richmond area, then certainly look us up. Check out the info. You can give us a call or email, and I have links down below as well. Of course, if you're interested in any of the products or the tools that we use, then click up there. That goes to the dedicated webpage with all the products and tools that we use, and it links right to Amazon so you can purchase those products easily. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, check out a ton of our other videos. I'll have a playlist linked up there in the card. And we have a ton of stuff from interior details, exterior details, paint corrections, coatings, a bunch of reviews, a bunch of how-tos. We're making more, and definitely check out those videos and let me know what you think. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great week. Take care.